Warning! Now in a public place. Entry and exit through this door are prohibited.
Quick, I can't hold it anymore. Open the door now.
No way! Didn't you hear the announcement? No entry or exit allowed!
Come on, man, just cut me some slack.
I said no, and that's final!
Really? You sure about that?
Absolutely not!
You're leaving me no choice.
Who are you? I don't think I've seen you around before.
Hi, is this the way to the lungs? I'm in a hurry. Can you give me a ride?
Sure, hold on tight.
Excuse me, do you know how to get to the mouth?
Head upward.
Wow, victory is right around the corner. Charge!
Oh my god, your burp is disgusting.